help me clean my washing machine? I'm using this. This is Active's washing machine cleaner. I'm going to show you just how easy it is to clean your washing machine, which you need to do. Who knew you needed to wash your washing machine? Seems unfair. Active sent me this washing machine cleaner in exchange for my honest opinion, so we're going to try it out. This packaging, low profile, low waste, safe for septic tanks. If you've seen some of my other stuff, you might know that we are on a septic system, so anything that goes down our drains needs to be septic safe. Really clear illustrated instructions. This is like a no-fail thing. Very simple process. Inside the box, this super handy calendar that you can mark off. Individually wrapped tablets. There are 24 in here, 2 for each month, or whenever your washing machine gets kind of stinky. Here's the tablet. Do not put it in the laundry detergent compartment. Close it up. Power. I'm going to turn this to hot, normal cycle. Press go. That's it. We let her run and she's cleaner than ever.